Hey, Betches! It's Dr. Nazarian.
Hey, it's Nurse Jamie.
We're from Skin Decision. We're here to answer all of your questions. For me, this has been what I wanted my career to be. Helping one patient at a time is incredibly powerful, but when you're able to actually elevate the entire industry with a show like the one Jamie and I made, letting people know that this isn't vanity, this isn't a joke. We are making real and powerful changes in people's lives. And I think this show single-handedly took plastic surgery from kind of a joke on TV to really explaining to people how powerful our work is.
It's exciting to have these inspirational stories that are relatable that really sometimes can get you down, because I do think your skin tells a story. Sometimes there isn't a diet or an exercise to make things better, and it's so great helping someone become their best self. I think if it bugs you, fix it. Spend your therapy sessions and worry about other things.
In the Persian culture, women are made to feel really guilty for spending time or money on themselves. I always tell them, do you want your daughters to think of their self-care that way? And the answer is resoundingly no. So I'm like, well, if you don't model that you matter, that mom matters, that women matter, how do you expect the women around you that you influence to feel that it's okay to take care of themselves? It's only for like a select group of people and that you're always going to look fake, because I always tell people the only people you notice on the street walking around are the people that didn't have good work done.
You know, as far as like maybe a paralytic like Botox or Xeomin or Dysport, it's probably when the line's starting to show without you making the expression. I think that's kind of a good baseline.
Our collagen starts to take a nosedive at age 25. I always say use the acronym GRASS. So you want to start using a growth factor, a retinol, an antioxidant, a sunscreen, and then a specialty product, whether it's a lightening cream or an acne product.
Number 3 cause of premature aging is poor sleep habits, including side sleeping. So 75% of us are side sleepers. Your head's very heavy. It's the weight of a bowling ball. And we have to do more filler on your sleeping side, just like we have to do more pigment laser on your driving side. I tell my 18, 19-year-old clients, I like, listen to me now or pay me later.
Definitely smaller breasts, smaller perkier breasts. Also having the hip dips filled in, which I think does improve proportions, to be honest with you. It does make the waist look smaller. After quarantine, that became really popular is the lower face. I'm getting tons more inquiries about neck tightening, facelifts, liposuction. I think it's because Zoom is kind of like the camera's pointing up at you, so people are really paying a lot of attention to the lower face right now. You shouldn't be like in the operating room every 5 years trying to fit what that trend is. Our bodies are not clothing that you could just donate and go buy more.
There is no magic wand, really. Treatments are wonderful and they're great, but you do kind of have to do your stuff at home. All right, and if you haven't binge watched on Netflix, check us out, Skin Decision Before and After.
Thank you guys for listening, and make sure to subscribe to Betches Below.